sales records updated B. Okay, so where they use self join, right? So that is our self join as we have it here. Okay. Okay, where salary, okay, we didn't use any self. So B, where A dot amount less than B dot amount. Okay, so when you click on proof, so we have this Techno Smart one, okay, so which is okay 50,000. So we selected we selected B dot product name. So A dot this A means our first record in that table. Okay, while B means second record in that table. Are you getting it? So when you say A dot ID, that is, it's going to consider the first ID, first value for that for the ID in that table. So when you say B dot product name, so that means the second record in that table. Okay, so A dot amount is the first record in that table. Are you getting it? So now, because the A dot ID is going to pick what? It's going to pick the first one. It's going to pick one. Are you getting the A dot ID? That is first row in that table. Okay, but we picked, we selected B dot product name. So instead of Techno Pop 3, it's going to pick what? Techno Smart 1. So now, for the amount, to pick the amount now, it now depends on the condition we have. So when you check the condition, actually, from this, what we have is A dot amount, which is the first value. First value, okay, 50,000. But now, if this if the second value is less than the first value, so it's going to pick the second value. Are you getting it? So that is, but the first value is less than the second one. So we have this 50,000, right? Then the second one, Samsung Galaxy 2, 50,000. Samsung Galaxy 2, okay, 50,000. So it will still consider, so which one is lesser? So it's going to pick this 50,000 until you have, okay, Samsung Galaxy 2, 60, okay, 85, 120. So it will continue joining them. Okay, let's use let's have it like this. Select A.id, okay, A.product name, comma, B dot product name, A dot amount, okay. Okay. Let's have a B dot amount. Then let's have A dot amount. So comma. So A dot product name, A dot amount, B dot product name, B dot amount. Okay. So let's B dot ID. Okay, let's have it here. So maybe before, after A dot amount. So let's have B dot ID. Okay, comma. So let's see the output. How it will work. How it works. Okay. So we have ID Technopop 3, 50,000. 2, Technosmart 1, 60,000. So this is the first row in that table. So this is second row in that table. So what of this? First row, second one. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the first row. Technopop 3, 50,000. Technosmart 1, 62. So this is the second one. Okay. So, okay, if we have instead of less than, so let's see if we have greater than. If let's change it to greater than. So where A dot amount are greater than B dot amount. So let's see how it will display. So Technosmart. So we have our Technosmart one first. Are you getting at 60 before this? For B. So A before B. Then this one, if you consider 125 before this. So 250 before this. So 60 before this. So A will be the highest one, while B will lowest one. Are you getting it? So that is how it works. Hmm? Which one? Okay. Yes, it's going to like now it's going to consider. Okay. So the way it works is that if you look at this one, so it's going to consider if you pick the first row, are you getting it? If you consider if you check it for all other rows in that table, first table, first row, can you see ID? So this one is for B. So while this is for A, so it will check. This is the first one, Technopop 3. So it's going to compare this first row with all the other rows. Are you getting it? So if we have, and if you look at this one, this is the only lowest values in that table, 50. So if you consider this one as B, okay. So if you check this amount with this, are you getting it? So the one that is greater will be the table A. Are you getting it? You didn't get. So is 60 greater than 50? Yes. So that means the second, this one will be what? It's going to be the A, while this one will be B. If you check this one again, this first row with the second one, the third one. Are you getting it? So which one is okay? So which one is greater? 125. So 125 be A, and this one will what? B. So check 50 with 250. So 250 is greater than 50. So that means this fourth row will be table A, and this one will still remain table B. So that is how we have it here. Then Samsung Galaxy 2. Samsung, do you have Samsung Galaxy 2 at 600,000? Okay, yes. So if you check Infinix Hot 3, okay, which is 85,000 with this value, 50,000. Okay, let's check. So that is why we have Infinix Hot 3. Are you getting it? We still have this one as what? Table B. Okay, so it will check it till Samsung X4. So the value of Samsung S4 is 120, which is what? Which is greater than 50. So this one will still Samsung S4 will be categorized as what? Table A. And this one will still be what? The Techno Pop 3 will still be what? Table B. So when you look at this, Galaxy X4, it is in table A, I mean. So this is B. So it will stop there. Are you getting it? And pick second row. So second row is what? Techno Smart 1. Okay. Compare it with first row. So it is greater than this. Okay. Okay. It will check it. Okay, Techno Smart 1. We check with the next row. So this is Techno Smart 1, 60,000. Okay. Check it with the second row, which is 125. So 125 is greater than 60. So that means Samsung Galaxy 2 will be what? Table A, and Techno Smart 1 will be what? Table B. So that is why we have it here. Samsung Galaxy X2, 125. So Techno Smart 1, 60. Are you getting it? So then check the next row. So that is how I check it till the second row finished. So it will pick the third row. Third row is Samsung Galaxy 2. Can you see? So, and compare it with others, with the other iPhone 14. So iPhone 14 is 250, which is greater than 125. So that means iPhone 14 will be in what? Table A, and Samsung Galaxy 2 will be what? Table B. So iPhone 14, can you see? Where is it? iPhone 14, table A, and Samsung Galaxy 2, 125. Is it clear? Mr. Kunle, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I can get.
Okay, you get okay. It's just used to generate another rows from the same table. Now you're getting aha. So that is using self join. Although we don't normally use self, what normally use is left join, right join to join two tables. But joining the same table, joining one table to each other is not common. Are you getting it? So we normally use two tables under join, okay? But you can what you want to achieve that what you want to know here is that you can still achieve joining a table with self. Are you getting it? So that is purpose of this. Or if I want to generate a lot of rows with a single table. Okay, so that is that on self join. Okay, so let me copy this. What? So query box. Okay, so okay, let me paste it.